Now we see the belongingness of elements. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3 is set. So there are three elements in set A. Now if you consider the element 1, 1 is in A, so we have to write 1 belongs to A. Belongs to symbol is this. So that means 1 belong to set A. And if you observe the next element 2, 2 is also an element of A, so we have to write 2 belong to A. That means we have to read like this: 2 belong to set A. Okay, so like this, if you observe the other elements, for example, if you take the element 0, 0 is not in set A, so we have to write 0 does not belong to A, so we have to write belongs to, and we have to cut it like this. So we have to read like this: 0 does not belong to A, because 0 is not an element of A, so we have to write like this: 0 does not belong to A. Next, consider minus 3. Minus 3 is also not an element of A, so we have to write minus 3 does not belong to A. So like this we have to write the belong to and does not belong to. These symbols we can use. See the next example. If A is equal to 1, 2, 3, then 1 belong to A, we have to write. 2 also belong to A. 3 also belong to A. And if you observe that 0 belong to symbol is this, and does not belong to means we have to write belongs to and cut it like this. And 0, 0 means 0 is not an element, so 0 does not belong to A, 5 does not belong to A, minus 1 does not belong to A, and 5 by 3 also does not belong to A. Like this we can write the belong to and does not belong to. Consider the natural numbers: whole numbers, integers, real numbers, irrational numbers, rational numbers. Already we discussed this. Let's take the element minus 2. So minus 2 belongs to which set, and minus 2 does not belongs to which set? Let's we discuss now. So minus 2 is not an element of natural number, so minus 2 does not belong to n. And minus 2 does not belongs to whole numbers also, because whole numbers means 0, 1, 2, 3. And similarly, if we take integers, minus 2 is an element, therefore we have to write minus 2 belongs to integer z. Okay, and consider rational numbers. Rational number means p by q form. Minus 2 can be written as minus 2 by 1. Therefore, minus 2 by 1 belongs to q. And if you observe that minus 2, the elements belong to rational number, does not belong to irrational number. Therefore, minus 2 does not belong to q dash. And if you observe, all rational numbers comes into real numbers, so we can write minus 2 belongs to R. So like this we can write the belongs to and does not belongs to. Now discuss empty set. Empty set means a set which does not contain any element is called empty set, or a null set, or it can also call void set. Okay, so a set which does not contain any element. We denote the empty set by using flower bracket, empty flower bracket, or phi. This is phi. This is flower bracket, empty flower bracket, or we can use phi. This is called symbol phi ma. Write 0 and cut like this. So this is about empty set. Now we will discuss some other examples to empty set. If you write like this set, and inside set if you write 0, this is not a empty set. We don't write like this. Okay, and we can't write like this also. That means write set and one other set, in that 0. This is also not represents empty set. So empty set means just we have to open the bracket and close the bracket. Next, see the example. A is equal to x is natural number and x less than 1. If you write the roster form for this, we have to write natural numbers. Natural numbers means already we know that a natural number starts from 1, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. But we have to choose such natural number which is less than 1. But there is no natural number which is less than 1. So no element satisfies this condition. So we have to close the bracket, that is nothing but empty set. And d is equal to x such that x is odd number and divisible by 2. If you observe that odd number definition itself says that the odd number means the numbers which are not divisible by 2. Here you have to take the odd numbers which divisible by 2. So it is not possible because the odd numbers means 1, 3, 5 and so on. 1 does not belong divisible by 2, 3, 5, these are not divisible by 2. So to write roster form, d is equal to, we have to open the bracket but no element satisfies this condition. So this is called empty set. See the third example. 1 less than x less than 2 and x belongs to n. That means we have to consider such natural numbers which lies between 1 and 2. General natural numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. If you observe that we have to choose such number which lies between 1 and 2, but there is no natural number which lies between 1 and 2. Therefore, simply roster form M becomes, open the bracket and no element satisfies the conditions, just close the bracket. This is called empty set 5. Okay, these are some examples.